Now here's a job that we're doing for a client. This particular video, we're just going to be showing the vacuuming. This is an important video because it shows you the importance of vacuuming and how it can prolong the life of your carpet. Why you should vacuum very often. Carpet right here, you can see has a lot of dog hair. That's the dog underneath the bed, so got to be careful with him. He's a very large dog. He sheds a lot, right? And there's a cat too, but this particular dog, he's a little older and he sheds a lot. You could see in this video the transformation of the carpet before we clean it with just a pre-vacuuming. Now, as a house cleaner, it puts, and I hate to use that term house cleaner, maybe we're general cleaners. I like the general cleaner better, clean multiple things. We try to get our clients in a routine vacuuming schedule, right? You try to go to their house once a week or twice a week. The vacuuming is very important, especially for people that care. Not only does it prolong the life of your carpet and can prevent a lot of the damage to your carpet, but it's a good way to maintain the filter of your home, right? The carpet is essentially a filter, so it's good to try to get as much of that dry soil out of the carpet as possible and maintain your carpet, because a lot of the abrasion and the wear is created with that dry soil inside your carpet fibers, right? It's very abrasive to your fibers, so it's gonna not only give it a bad look cosmetically, but it's not good for your overall health, breathing in the contaminants that are airborne because your filter's not clean, kind of like the filter on your AC. Very important to clean it. And a lot of the issues with the traffic wear, where it's really worn and looks dirty around like the bed area, not in this home, but you'll see it. You've seen them in my jobs on other videos where a customer wasn't on a regular vacuuming plan or program, that their carpet had that wear around the bed or wear around tables, or they lifted the area rug and the carpet was a different shade, right? You get that. Well, that can be prevented. A lot of that can be prevented. You can't prevent the wear so much, but you could prevent a lot of the wear that changes the shade of your carpet. You could prevent some of that. You could prolong that. A lot of my houses that we take care of, that we do routine vacuumings, you can move the bed. There's not going to be any grayish on like a beige carpet. It's not going to have that gray look, or a brown carpet and it's gray around and you see that traffic wear pattern, right? You're not going to see that around the bed if you move that bed, right? And you can see in this video how much of the dog hair. Now what you don't see is how much of the hair I had to empty out. It was overflowing. Couldn't film that. We were in a rush today. This is all I had time to film. We had a lot of work from the holidays. This job I had to get done, and I had to get to another one. We were just really spent for time.